Hirose iX Industrial Series connectors feature a compact and robust design for high-speed Ethernet connectivity in industrial applications. The iX Industrial connector is 75% smaller than an RJ45 connector and can be placed in parallel on a 10mm pitch while supporting Ethernet data rates up to 10 gigabits per second. It's just as easy to use as RJ45 with a single action lock design that produces an audible click and a push button release for easy removal. The connectors feature a robust design that resists wrenching, shock, and vibration while also preventing peeling, and the stainless steel housing and shield provide mechanical durability and excellent EMC resistance. Hirose iX Industrial connectors are offered with 2 keying options for use in Ethernet and non-Ethernet applications.